So guys, in this video we are going to use the logic analyzer for displaying and for capturing and then decoding the I2C communication protocol into our logic analyzer software. So for the demonstration purpose and for telling you on how to do this, I will be using RTC3231 with the AVR microcontrollers and connecting using the code which I have made for the RTC3231, which is bare metal code. Okay, so now proceeding with the connections. First we will connect the RTC3231 with the AVR microcontrollers with their traditional connections of SCL, SDA, VCC and ground, and then we will connect the SCL and SDA lines of RTC3231 with logic analyzers, two channels. You can connect it with any two channels. I will be connecting with channel 7 and channel 5, and then that two channel 7 and 5 will be connected to the SCL and SDA pins respectively. So now let's proceed with the connection. So now after doing the hardware connections of RTC3231 with the AVR microcontrollers, we are going to connect the logic analyzer channels, okay, channel 7 and 5. So our logic analyzer channel 7 and 5 are the second line ground pin and the subsequent pins below it. So this is my connector pin, okay, and this is my the embarked area. So this is my ground, okay, this is the first line and this is the second line. So in the second line, first brown wire is the ground, black one is the channel 7 and yellow white one is the channel 5. So I will be connecting the channel 7 and channel 5 respectively to each of the pins of my I2C, SCL and SDA lines. So connecting the here white wire with the white wire for my logic analyzer pin. So white goes to white and black goes to the purple wire. So these are the connections that I have done for the logic analyzer. Okay, connecting the channel 7 and 5 respectively of the logic analyzer with my I2C SPI communication pins. Now I will be configuring these things in my channel only in my software. Channel 7 is connected with my, so this is I2C underscore SCL. Same way out, channel 5 is my I2C underscore SDA. That's the connections in the channel configuration that we have to do. So that's the thing. So the main idea here is also same, that we just have to connect the I2C pins of our sensor or module to our logic analyzer, and then correspondingly name in the software name those channels with the corresponding I2C pins that we have connected. So channel 7 is I2C SCL and channel 5 is I2C SDA. Now in the analyzer section, go to the I2C protocol that we will choose. In the SDA, choose the channel 5, and in the SCL select the channel 7. Address display will be our default one, which is by default, and now save it. Now we will upload the code into our microcontroller. So I have made my own code of my RTC3231, okay, in the bare metal coding. If you want to get to know about this code, the link is in description. You can get to know from there. And now we will just upload the code into our microcontroller. So we have uploaded the code into our microcontroller. Now if we start the I2C session, okay, so you will see that it has started decoding the protocols into the decoded protocol section. So this is how actually the logic analyzer proves to be very helpful. You can from here easily get to know that when you have start the session, when you have end the session, if you have acknowledged, then it means your session has been ended. So it will end with the red color saying that my I2C session, one session has been terminated. Then again it has been started with the green circle, means that my I2C session has been started, and then it will be starting until it is being keep on sending the data. So this is how we can debug for the I2C also. As I have shown you, you can from here get to know what all data you are sending and what you are getting. So as this is for my RTC3231, so I am getting the date, time, all those things in my decimal format which I have selected here. Okay, ASCII value, XI, binary, decimal, you can get in hexadecimal also, and all those things. So this is the thing for the logic analyzers I have told you for. And so this completes my playlist, and in this playlist, in this series, I have told you about this logic analyzer, what is it, how to use it, and how to debug the codes for UART, I2C, SPI, GPIO and PWM. Whole such 5 different digital signals which you can get. There are many other signal protocols also, say one wire communication protocol which is used in DST11. I have also made the bare metal code for one wire protocol also. You can check it out in the video description link for it. JTAG I will show you in upcoming videos. SWD I will show you in upcoming videos, and whole many other ways protocols are there. So guys, I hope you like the video and you get to know about something. So if you like the video and get to know about something, do subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and give a thumbs up to the video. For any doubts, any queries, do mention them in the below comment section, or you can join the Get to Vibe WhatsApp group in which we have discussions on firmware development and have queries solved for firmware development and IoT related. So that's it for now guys, see you in the next video.